Hey guys, it's Amy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do my first luxury haul of 2018. I got a few things over the holidays and I'm so excited to share them with you. Okay, which one should I go first? I guess I'll just go with the closest one to me, the Dior. I don't know if you can tell from the size of the little bag, but it comes in this little box. Of course, I've already unboxed it because I've already started wearing it. So comes with a little booklet like this and a dust bag. I love these dust bags. I've already mentioned them so many times that I think all jewelry companies should make dust bags like this because they travel so well. I just really love that these dust bags have two layers where you can separate the earrings to reveal another pair of Jadiel. So yeah, I just love my Jadiel earrings so much. I'm wearing them today. They just really suit me. I love wearing the bigger one on this side now that I figured out since I have more hair. I always part my hair this way. So I love wearing the Jadiel on this side and then the little bee on this side. And so yeah, these ones I got a while ago, and these ones are the ones with rhinestones. With the aged silver hardware, whereas these ones are just plain hardware. These are in the aged gold hardware, and they are actually slightly smaller in comparison to the ones that I have. My previous ones actually have a star, and then this one has CD on it. I'll go ahead and unbox more stuff for you, and I'll make sure to try the earrings on for you at the end. But yeah, I think if I remember correctly, those ones were $3.95 plus tax in Canada. So they're a lot cheaper than these ones with the rhinestones, because these ones, if I remember correctly, they are either $5.25 or $5.50. So yeah, they're significantly a lot more, but I do love these ones a little bit more though. If I were to pick just one, I would actually still go with these ones. But I saw those other ones and I tried them on. I didn't think I would like them, but I actually love them. I fell in love with them, so I got them too. I usually don't like shopping in stores during the holidays because it's just too crazy. There's too many people and everything is sold out anyway. So I did a little bit of online shopping. I've tried Farfetch, Matches Fashion. I've also tried Louisa Review Aroma recently, but I haven't received it yet. I guess there will be a second luxury haul video sometime later this month as well. I just love their packaging. It's really, really good. These boxes are really nice too. You can keep them for regifting things, or you just keep them for storing other things. So I got a pair of Celine sunglasses, my very first pair of Celine, and then this one is actually, I don't know if you guys recognize it, it's from Karen Walker's. New York based designer, but she is from New Zealand originally. They come in this really cute blue box. It's huge though, and then this round cloth inside for cleaning. This is a really, really big box for the sunglasses, but I guess it's good for protecting your sunglasses when you travel. And it also came with a bunch of documentation, which I just kept in this little baggie. There's like all kinds of tags and everything. I'm not gonna bore you with that. And here are the glasses. So I picked a plain pair of black acetate sunglasses. So on days that I want to wear like an all black outfit, I can go for these, or just on days where I don't want to put anything on my face, I can just wear these and just pretty much hide under these. And I thought they were so cool. I love that there's this arrow detail on the side, and they're very, very simple. If you don't know Karen Walker, you wouldn't know that they're designer, but if you do, if you recognize the arrow, that's her signature, then you would know that they're Karen Walker's. And I really like them. I didn't think that I would actually fall in love with them because I never tried these in store, and I just basically saw it on Matches Fashion. I saw it on how it looks on the model that was wearing it on the picture, and I loved how it looked on her. So I just got them, and hoping that they would work for me, and they do. I just love them so much. They're so simple, but they're so classic looking because it's just the classic cat eye shape. Quality wise, they're super well made and they feel substantial. They also are handmade. I'm surprised that they were not made in Italy or in Europe, because usually higher end brands are. These are only made in China, which I was very, very surprised, but nevertheless, they're very good quality and I love them. For a lot of Asian people, we have a flatter face and less of a nose bridge. we have flatter noses. It is a lot harder for us to find sunglasses with no extra nose pieces. So these ones don't, because they're acetate. I still find these ones really comfortable and suitable for me. Like, my cheeks wouldn't really touch them when I smile or anything. And the reason is because I always try to look for sunglasses. If you look at all the pictures on the listing, I try to find the ones that are relatively more like 90 degrees, because a lot of them that are made for more Western faces, where the feature of their nose is more prominent, they are normally a little bit more tilted this way. So like the lens would be more tilted this way, and then so for them it works well because they have a lot of nose bridge to support the glasses. But for us it wouldn't work, because if they were too tilted, then they would always touch our cheekbones when we smile. But these ones don't. These ones are perfect, and I love the fact that I'm able to wear those. Originally I just wanted these Celine sunglasses, so these were the ones that I actually ordered first, or that I put in my basket first. Except that for Matches Fashion you need $300 US worth of merchandise to get free shipping, and I wanted free shipping, so that's why I added the Karen Walker in my cart as well. But they ended up working super well, so I'm actually glad that I was able to keep both of them. But basically I ordered these ones first, and it even came with a little envelope. I guess this is their, maybe that's the packaging that came with it. And it has a bunch of documentations as well. And I love this case. This is kind of like a suede, faux suede finish. And the inside is lined with a little bit of padding, and although I'm not too keen on this texture, I wish that this texture, the suede, is also on the inside. On the inside is more just like a plastic material, but I guess you can wipe them. It also comes with this cloth, and these are the sunglasses that I got. So these are called the, if I remember correctly, I think they're called the Catherine. But of course I'll leave all the links down below so that you guys can see exactly the ones that I purchased. But I love these ones. These were the, like I said, originally picked. Yeah, I just wanted a pair of good acetate sunglasses, just big, I can put on my face and just hide underneath it. But yeah, these look super cool. I love that you can wear them higher and hide your brows, or lower, just slightly lower, and still show your brows. And I think they are super flattering, and they're super good quality. I can feel the quality. They're very comfortable. They're very suitable for my face shape, which I love. These are perfect when I wear anything more warmer tones, so any jewelry that are gold tone or rose gold tone, they would go super well with. Yeah, I just love them. They're so cool, and I also got them on sale. That's one of the main reasons why I also decided to do some shopping during the holidays, because that's the best time to get your luxury shopping at a better price. So I got them for on sale, which is amazing. I'm hoping that they still have some on their website, but I do know that they have the aviator ones, the D, I think they're called the D aviator, the ones that are straight across. Those are super cool, but I don't think I can pull that off. The shape just is not flattering on me for some reason, but these ones are. See how much thinner and more compact this one is? I love this case. I feel like you're not just getting the sunglasses, but you're also getting a designer case, which is kind of nice. Next, I want to unbox these. These are from Welly Merck, and they kindly sent me 2 of their watches. I obviously already unboxed them and already started wearing them, but I just wanted to show you how the packaging looks like. So here is the outside box. It has a really nice, kind of like a Tiffany blue color, to reveal another box on the inside. And so yeah, this is the inside box, and it's actually really neat. It actually opens like so, and I took out the watch, but I'll show you the watch obviously. And of course it has all the documentations in it. So Welly Merck is a Switzerland based brand. To reveal these 2 watches, this one is called the Fighter Lisbon 26mm, so the face is 26mm wide, and this one is called the Classic Auckland 36mm, and both of them I picked them in the silver hardware. They also come in this one also comes in the rose gold, and this one also comes in the gold and I think there is like a black hardware. It's actually really cool. But yeah, I decided to go with a super thin and super small watch because this is actually part of their new line. They only have a couple color straps available. So they have this cooler pink, and then there's a warmer pink color. With this size, they actually have a whole range. You can go with, I think, the metal strap, you can go with the leather strap, and then of course you can go with this really cool, this is a fabric strap, which I totally fell in love with. This is the one that I already started wearing. As you can see, I still have the tags on this one. Of course I tried it on, but I just started wearing this one, and it's so comfortable. A lot of watches nowadays, you can also interchange their straps, which is an amazing feature because you basically can change up your watch and get like 2 watches in one, or I guess depending on the amount of straps that you decide to get and whatever is offered, and you can really have like so many different looks with the same watch. So I also got a couple different straps, and they come in boxes like this. To reveal, another strap that I picked is in this color. I think this color is called Seoul. So yeah, they open like so, and I got the thin strap for the other watch, so I got the metal strap for this watch. So as you can see, you can really get a lot of different looks and just interchange them and get a totally different watch for a totally different look. Notice that the little button over there is at an angle, because most of them, they're actually like right there. So a lot of times when I wear it, or when you wear it, then that little button there will keep digging into your skin, but this won't. I thought that was super clever. Actually, my my smartwatch is also like that, which I really appreciate. And then of course there's a lot of details. So on the strap you can see Welly Merck here. The strap is so comfortable, you guys. And then notice the watch is super thin, even for a bigger watch. I love that. And I love that the strap goes and covers the whole back, so it's super comfortable. And I'll just show you how easy it is to change the strap. The fabric one is actually even like more simple than the other one, but you just go like this. And so this is the strap, and then you can just change it into like a different one, or you can even put the leather one. If you get the leather one, you'll just go and change it from where the little pin here is. They have their own serial numbers on it. It's made of a sapphire material, sapphire crystal material, so you know that the face won't just scratch very easily. Like I said, the little time adjuster is down in the corner, so it's not right here, and it won't poke into your skin. The strap here says Welly Merck on it as well. It has a little W, and then the back side looks like this. It has its own serial number. This strap is made of genuine leather. Let's cut this off because it's getting in the way. I chose the silver so that it will match with my rings, but I actually am not a person that minds mix and matching my hardware. I just wanted to pick the silver one. Another feature that I really love about Welly Merck is that they actually make watches for female with really small wrists. Like I said before, I have very tiny wrists, and I know some people have even tinier wrists than me, which is something that you don't have to worry about for this watch, because I'm actually on the third hole, the third smallest hole right now. I can probably go one more, but I'm just gonna leave it a little bit loose like that so that I can move around my wrists and be super comfortable. And also because right now the straps are new and stiffer. So glad that they actually have enough settings for us really petite bone ladies. And so yeah, this is how the leather one looks like, and I think it's so nice, and it's so girly and so ladylike. I'm hoping that one day they'll get a lot more colored, different colors leather straps, because these leather straps are so comfortable. I'm sure it's just a matter of time. Like I said, this is one of their newest line. You see how there's these little pins? You just unpin it and you just install the other strap on it. I put on the silver straps, and it becomes a totally different watch, and it's totally dressy, and it totally goes with my different rings that are silver color as well. But like I said, I don't care if I mix and match, but I decided to just go with plain silver this time. There's a lot of extra strap, but It actually looks super cool if you just tuck it in. This oversized look just really works with this watch. And even though my wrist is tiny and it looks like the watch is taking over my wrist, it doesn't matter because I'm going for this look when I choose a bigger watch like this. And I love that the strap is just so cool, and it will go super well with like just a casual t-shirt and jeans sort of vibe. Obviously, I don't know if this color goes as... Actually, no, I like it. Even with this jacket, I think it looks good. Of course, I'll leave all the links down below, and I'll also have a discount code for you guys if you guys are interested in any other watches. Last but not least, I want to unbox something from LV. As usual, I wake up every day and the first thing I do is reach out for my phone, and then I check Instagram and all different emails and stuff like that. And then on Instagram, I saw that I was tagged in one of the pictures, and apparently I won a giveaway, and this is what I won. So I was so surprised, and of course I felt like, oh, what a great start to 2018, and I felt so lucky and so grateful. So yeah, I finally received it and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. Of course, she also wrote me a little note here. Congrats again and a very happy new year to you and your family. XOXO Luxtagram. So I'll link her Instagram down below, but yeah, basically this is her little note, and I thought it was so cool and just a really great way to start 2018. And so it opens like so with the holiday packaging. I love that. And this little dust baggie. We're all very used to LV packaging. Opens like so, and then to reveal this little tiny luggage tag, which is so cute. I love it. I will cherish this little luggage tag so much. It's plain, it doesn't have anything on it, but it will be perfect for a hot stamping. I believe Chinese New Year is on February 17th, and it will be the year of the dog, and so it's still the year of the rooster, by the way, which is my year, and so it will be perfect for me to get a rooster stamp on it if I can still get it. I'm pretty sure I will still be able to get it, but yeah, so this will be perfect for that, and then also it will look so cute on my Speedy. And what do you know, the patina looks very similar actually, because my bag is relatively new, and yeah, this one has a little bit, like a tiny little bit of patina on it, but it's still a bit lighter than my own bag. But it's close enough that I think it looks perfect together. So I'm so excited about that. I'm also contemplating whether I should do, or whether I should wait and bring it with me on my Asia trip. So like I told you guys in my previous video, I'm going to Hong Kong next month. And there's a chance I might try to go to Singapore as well with my mom, and I wonder if I should just bring it along with me and see what kind of hot stamps there are available there in Asia. So yeah, I could also do that, I don't know, or maybe I could just do my rooster hot stamping there too. What do you guys think? If you guys are from Singapore or Hong Kong, and if you know of any cool hot stamps, let me know down below. That's pretty much the end of the haul for now. I will have another haul video coming up, but I haven't received the rest of my different things that I ordered more recently, so I'll have a second haul video. And so yeah, these are the city Jadzia, which are slightly smaller and different from my other ones. I guess because they're different enough that it kind of justifies getting both of them, even though I know that they're so similar. They have a different vibe to them. They're definitely not as blingy, which sometimes is good. You don't always need blingy. So this is the little bee, and this is the Jadzia. They're just a little bit more subtle. They're not as big compared to these ones, and I don't mind it at all. They just have a different vibe, and they're definitely a lot sort of, you know, more laid back, but still really cool because of the asymmetrical size, and also Jadzia is just the coolest logo for Dior that I've been obsessed with. I should just get the bag already, right? That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!